Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Binary Master. Today's video is going to be very interesting. Today I am going to withdraw $1,000. If you also want to earn dollars in this way, then you should join our free Signal channel of Telegram. So, I also show you my trading history. This is my today trading history. I have taken only 2 trades. Both are in profit, where you will be given free signals from which you can make good profit. Well, I am always making good strategy for you which will benefit you. This is my real account. I am also leaderboard. Let me check you. Now, see, this is my leaderboard. I have reached number 10 in it. Today my gross profit is $1,376. You can also make a good profit. Today, February 6th, 2024. Now I click on withdrawal. You can also make good profit. I always do buy and sell script trading on real account. If you want our Telegram signal, then the best signal is available. Join our Telegram channel. At this time, my balance is $2,491 my account. I'm withdrawing it now. In my bank account, I click on Globe Pay. Now I put my email here. This is my email. Now I write my dollar amount here. Whatever. I have to take withdrawal. First try $1,100. To write it will be reduced in my balance. According to trading, I make $1,000 again, I complete 1,000 on. And take withdrawal. Only I don't take more. If you also want to make a good profit, join our Telegram signal. You will be given the best signals. Normally get it in working 3 days, but I will get it instantly. It will go now. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And also press the bell icon for the next future. If you can get good videos, then see you in the next video. Goodbye.